Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here we explore must-have accessories to help you choose the perfect device. Are you looking for the top 5 best self-cleaning coffee makers 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The DeLonghi Rivelia automatic espresso machine with grinder and milk frother is a premium all-in-one coffee maker designed for coffee lovers who want barista-quality drinks at home. Featuring an advanced built-in grinder, this machine grinds fresh coffee beans for every cup, ensuring maximum flavor and aroma. The innovative bean switch system allows users to easily switch between different coffee bean varieties, making it simple to enjoy a range of coffee profiles. Whether you prefer a rich espresso, creamy cappuccino, smooth latte, or refreshing iced coffee, the Rivelia delivers exceptional results with just a touch of a button. Its integrated milk frother creates silky, velvety foam for cafe-style milk beverages, while customizable settings let you adjust strength, temperature, and drink size to match your personal taste. The intuitive color display and user-friendly controls make drink selection effortless. Compact yet stylish, the machine fits beautifully into modern kitchens while offering professional-level performance. Easy cleaning and automatic maintenance programs help keep the machine in top condition. The DeLonghi Rivelia is the perfect choice for anyone seeking convenience, versatility, and outstanding coffee quality every day. Number 2. The Jura S8 stands out as one of the best self-cleaning coffee makers for coffee lovers who want premium quality with minimal maintenance. Designed with advanced automation, this machine combines elegant craftsmanship with smart cleaning technology, making daily coffee preparation effortless. One of its biggest highlights is the one-touch automatic milk system cleaning, which helps maintain hygiene without requiring complicated manual cleaning. The machine also features integrated rinsing, cleaning, and descaling programs that keep internal components in excellent condition while extending the machine's lifespan. The Jura S8 offers a wide variety of specialty coffee drinks at the touch of a button, from rich espresso to creamy cappuccinos. Its 4.3-inch touchscreen display provides an intuitive user experience, while customizable settings allow users to adjust coffee strength, temperature, and milk foam according to personal preferences. Many users appreciate the machine's exceptional coffee quality and reliable performance, making it a favorite among home baristas. While regular maintenance is still recommended, the automated cleaning functions significantly reduce the effort required compared to traditional espresso machines. For anyone seeking convenience, luxury, and consistently delicious coffee, the Jura S8 is a top-tier investment. Number 3. Bring Kaffe quality coffee into your home with the Smeg EGF03 semi-automatic espresso machine with built-in grinder in a stylish cream finish. Inspired by Smeg's iconic 50s retro-style design, this premium espresso machine combines vintage aesthetics with modern performance, making it a standout addition to any kitchen. The integrated conical burr grinder delivers freshly ground coffee for every cup, helping preserve aroma and flavor for a richer espresso experience. Equipped with a powerful dual thermoblock heating system, the EGF03 ensures fast heat-up times and precise temperature control, allowing you to brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously for greater convenience. Designed for coffee enthusiasts, the machine offers customizable grinding and extraction settings, giving you complete control over your favorite beverages. The professional steam wand creates smooth, velvety microfoam, perfect for crafting lattes, cappuccinos, and other milk-based drinks at home. Its durable construction, intuitive controls, and 120V compatibility make it both practical and easy to use. Whether you're starting your morning with a bold espresso or entertaining guests, the Smeg EGF03 delivers exceptional taste, performance, and timeless retro elegance in every cup. Number 4. The Philips 2300 series fully automatic espresso machine is designed to bring Kaffe quality coffee into your home with ease and convenience. Featuring the innovative Latte Go milk system, this machine creates silky smooth milk froth for cappuccinos and lattes while making cleanup quick and effortless. The integrated ceramic grinder ensures fresh coffee grounds for every cup, preserving the rich aroma and flavor of your favorite beans. With 4 coffee presets and a hot water function, you can enjoy a variety of beverages, including espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and hot water for tea or other drinks. The intuitive touch display allows you to select and customize your beverage with just a few taps, making every coffee experience simple and enjoyable. Engineered with Philips Silent Brew technology, the 2300 series operates up to 40% quieter than previous models, allowing you to prepare your morning coffee without unnecessary noise. Adjustable coffee strength, temperature, and volume settings let you personalize each cup to match your preferences. Combining modern design, user-friendly controls, and exceptional performance, the Philips 2300 series is the perfect choice for coffee lovers seeking quality, convenience, and versatility in one machine. Number 5. The Kaffe Super Automatic Espresso Machine is a premium, app-enabled coffee maker designed to bring cafe-quality beverages directly to your home. Combining advanced technology with exceptional convenience, this machine allows users to customize and control their coffee experience from their smartphone. With its intuitive mobile app, you can adjust drink settings, schedule brewing times, and monitor machine performance with ease. Featuring auto wake and sleep functionality, the Kaffe ensures your machine is ready when you need it while conserving energy when not in use. Its versatile milk system supports all milk types, including dairy, almond, oat, soy, and other plant-based alternatives, making it ideal for a wide range of coffee preferences and dietary needs. Engineered with roaster-approved espresso settings, the machine delivers consistent extraction and rich flavor in every cup. Whether you enjoy espresso, cappuccino, latte, or other specialty coffee drinks, the Kaffe offers professional-level results with minimal effort. Its sleek, modern design complements any kitchen decor, while the automatic brewing and cleaning features simplify daily maintenance. The Kaffe Super Automatic Espresso Machine is the perfect blend of innovation, convenience, and exceptional coffee craftsmanship.